Other new arrival, the 1978 Toyota Corolla Sedan.
Cool.
Chrome yellow over black. Got the fender rear view mirrors.
Yep.
Fresh paint and interior. 1.6 liter Hemi. That thing got a Hemi in it? Why, yes, it does. And what people don't realize is a Hemi is not necessarily a big V8 motor with a gazillion horsepower.
No.
Hemi is the way the combustion
That's
chamber
right.
works. And that's about as technical as you're ever going to hear me get on this show. Because I'm not really that technical.
Good move.
Don't tell anybody. I have no idea what I'm talking about. JDM mirrors, which are the ones aforementioned mirrors on the
extended
fenders.
out there.
Midnight Club Ready. Now, what does that mean?
Midnight Club Ready. I don't know what that
You
means.
wrote it.
No, I did not write that one.
Oh, Peter wrote that one?
Yeah, that's
all right. Well, we'll have to call
no,
Peter.
Peter 6753. Yeah, that would be Peter.
Because we know you wrote odd, he wrote even.
That's right.
Vice versa.
Right,
Yeah.
right.